Regular viewers will have realised that Semiosis 101 has now gone bi-weekly. You'll also have noticed that Season 3's final episodes have faced a delay. Bear with me as I have had a perfect storm of competing deadlines in my day job as the Programme Director for Graphic Design at DJCAD in Dundee. I currently also have an active PhD call for doctoral proposals on researching the application of semiosis into creative practice. Check out the link below if you are interested. Now, thankfully, I am in a position where my final year graphic design students are about to graduate. A design project with Dundee Design Festival and UNESCO City of Design has reached its conclusion. An exciting new Semiosis 101 ally from the design world has been made. Semiosis 101 Season 4 has been fully scripted. A semiotic book manuscript has been drafted. I finally have the time and space to conclude Semiosis 101 Season 3. Thank you for your patience. Season 4 will begin later in July, early August on YouTube. Every Season 4 episode will also be available to watch in advance of YouTube on Semiosis 101's Patreon. If you want to get a deeper semiotic analysis on how semiosis works, then become a Semiosis 101 producer on Patreon. This link is in the description below. On Semiosis 101's Patreon, I have archived all season episodes as exclusive shorter versions for Semiosis 101 Patreon subscribers. On Patreon, I also have longer downloadable semiotic videos. These 20-minute videos go into deeper depth and use specific design or illustration examples of how to apply semiosis. The first of these exclusive Patreon videos is available to watch or download now. Click the direct link below, more episodes will follow. Check Patreon out. As I now have time to complete Season 3, I will leave you with the caveat I have previously stated. Learning semiotics is not a how-to guidebook. That means learning by example rather than a specific step-by-step linear guide. Okay, you got the difference? Good. If not, while waiting for episodes 319 and 320, spend time watching the free YouTube omnibus episodes to catch up on the cognitive differences in the approaches. Episode 319 will be published for free very soon on YouTube, featuring the work examples of my first Semiosis 101 professional ally. Subscribe to see who this is and be alerted when this penultimate Semiosis 101 episode is finally published.